Enduring difficulties with patience often leads to positive outcomes. Although the path may be long and challenging, the ultimate reward makes it worthwhile. Having someone in your life who offers honest insights is advantageous, and taking decisive actions is more valuable than mere planning and reading. Experience, the best teacher, shows that many worries rarely come to fruition. Nurturing self-respect is crucial, as it is noticeable to those around you. Saving money daily is an effective way to preserve oneself, and compound interest can yield significant benefits over time. When it comes to relationships, if your objective doesn't include marriage, it might lead to disappointment. Reflect on this reality. Serious relationships often involve intricacies that go beyond surface-level impressions. Holding on to grievances only heightens stress. It's vital to understand that those we care about can be lost unexpectedly, emphasizing the importance of cherishing them. It's essential to promptly address misunderstandings, as lingering issues can create permanent distance. Feeling the absence of someone doesn't necessarily imply they should re-enter your life. It's a natural aspect of moving forward. Acknowledge the inherent self-interest in relationships, recognizing that everyone has their own motivations. Though we may grieve for individuals, time is an invaluable and irreplaceable aspect of our lives, playing a crucial role in shaping our experiences. It emphasizes the significance of making wise use of our time. The link between respect in different aspects of life and financial stability is apparent, highlighting the need for adaptability since life seldom conforms to our expectations. The difficulties we've faced in the past play a role in creating the allure of the future. To attract positive outcomes, a commitment to personal growth is essential. Dwell not on past experiences, as doing so can obscure the potential brightness of the future. Clarity often emerges during life's most challenging moments, offering guidance for making optimal decisions. The experience of pain can be a powerful driving force, encouraging thoughtful decision-making to prevent its reoccurrence. This principle applies universally, whether in the context of machinery, residences, or interpersonal relationships. Consistent upkeep and preventive measures are more cost-effective than dealing with subsequent repairs. Understanding the indicators that life is reaching its conclusion prompts contemplation about its fundamental nature. Achieving a secure and satisfying life frequently requires diversifying sources of income. Establishing meaningful connections with others is crucial, as it cultivates shared development and provides a foundation for mutual support.